If you desire to get a raise from your boss within 6 months or less, maybe, then if you do these simple things, I'm going to share them with you quickly before we move on to number 6. First one, ask your boss what behavior there is in you that slows him down. Number 2, ask him to list 3 problems that nobody wants to solve. To be unforgotten, you must have to do something unforgettable. Let me say that again. You're going to ask him to list 3 problems that nobody else wants to solve. That is within the company. Nobody don't want to do these things. And you have to remember, to be unforgotten, you have to do something unforgettable. I feel happy. Hey! Next one. Ask him or her to mentor you for 5 minutes each week. 5 minutes each week. You will change him or her from a critic to a mentor. And mentors become protective of their students. I feel happy. Let me say those 3 things again. The first thing, you're going to ask your boss what behavior there is in you that slows him or her down. Number 2, you're going to ask him or her if they could list 3 problems in the company or anywhere that you're working that nobody wants to solve. What is it? Is it filing nobody wants to do? What is it that nobody wants to take up? And you have to remember, importantly, you better don't forget this little part, to be unforgotten. You have to do something unforgettable. Yeah, glory. Now, the next one we said, ask him or her to mentor you for 5 minutes each week. 5 minutes. You will change that boss or person from a critic against you to become your mentor. And a mentor is protective of their students. You'll have that boss for life. Let's move to number 6 in the interest of time.